Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a WhatsApp widget. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app. Launch the WhatsApp app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to make a WhatsApp widget, first of all, head over to your app section. Here you can see the list of apps. At the top section, you can see search button, tap on it. Now type in WhatsApp widget. And in the search results, in the widget section, you can see WhatsApp option. Tap on it. If I want to add this WhatsApp widget into my home screen, I'll just tap on it. And here you can see the add option. Tap on add. And now the WhatsApp widget is added to your home screen. You can even adjust the width and height of this. So that's it. That's how you can make a WhatsApp widget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.